others. Also, I've come to the realization I don't have all of this in my reading room. This is what it looks like to me.
The next day.
Yay! That's what it is. God. I'm filming. You don't like me on camera when you look. Yeah. So.
Thank you.
So, oh my god, did this thing darken overnight? Also, I feel like these shows on so you can see on each other. Umbrella is my favorite scent ever. She's working these like no matter what. Vintage Blossom by Jessica Simpson. Also very nice scent. I am very excited right now because we're going to be doing something that I've been waiting to do literally for months. Or, okay, well, I haven't had it for months. I've only had it like 3 days. But I've been waiting to do. We're going to put together my vinyl player. So I've been collecting vinyls now for probably about a year. But due to some things, I couldn't actually buy the vinyl player itself. So this one is the Andover something. I'll read the full. I'll tell you guys the full name of it in a second. So the full name of it is the Andover spring-based turntable and speaker. It's 2. So I was gonna get just the speaker from them and then get like a different actual turntable. I was like, you just find me ever. Story about this package is that it had it. So I did the free shipping 3 to 5 days. I was in a super rush because I was like, I'm probably not gonna end up opening it till today anyway. So I was like, it'll be come by then. Girl, why did it say confirmed for the longest? And the only reason I realized it got delivered was because I had to go out my front door to see something, and it was on the stairs. I was like, ah. And literally on the website, it still showed it as confirmed, but not delivered, not on the way, nothing. I was like, what the hell? Oh, okay. I'm trying my best not to drop this plastic shit case. Oh, she's big. We're gonna do this on the board. Instructions. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, ooh, good packaging. Okay, we're good. I don't think anybody understands how much my heart is like swelling right now. In a positive way. Dude, they packaged this like, ugh. I'm mildly confused. So this is the speaker. I'm gonna have to send an email because I don't think the vinyl player is here. There is no vinyl player. It's just the speaker. I am very annoyed right now. There is no speaker, or there is no vinyl player. This is just the speaker. And when I was opening, I'm like, this doesn't seem big enough for this. But I was like, maybe it's tightly packaged, but there's no vinyl player. So now I'm gonna have to go back to my order because I know I purchased both. So I'll be back, guys. So a couple of updates. I emailed them, so hopefully they get back to me because they're only going to pick Friday night at 5, and they're on the East Coast. So it's 11 o'clock, so I think it's like 2 p.m. their time, so fingers crossed they get back to me. I'm going to keep refreshing my email. But we have come into a design flaw. This can't fit underneath this. It doesn't sit flat. It sits flat, but it doesn't go all the way back. So what I'm going to attempt to do is move some furniture again.
One week later.
Just got off of work, but working on box for the final plate. I've literally been waiting for this. I bought it like over a week ago, and it was 3 to 5 days, and the speaker part came. This came from a different warehouse, so I've been waiting. It's Monday, and it was a holiday, so it might have been Saturday if it wasn't a holiday, but it's okay. Oh. Okay. This is the little cover for when you're not playing. This is the top of it. Instructions. I think this is called the Sword. It's gray finish. I like that.
I take back what I said about this being nail friendly. This part isn't.
Pause yourself. That doesn't seem straight though.
Lay the rubber platter mat on the platter, making sure to place the
There's no left or right though, so. So this is the setup. That's what she looks like. So play it, you open it like that. Play it. And then this turns on. I've used this, I like the sound of